my channel Firewall again. Today we are going to do checkpoint firewall troubleshooting using command line. This video will be the continuation video with the series which we are currently performing, which is CLI tools. This video is more of your logs which system generates. We call it the system logs. And if something happened to the system or something happened to the firewall, how you can troubleshoot that sort of things, we can check with this video. So let's start with the first command. Before that, I wanted to tell you I'll be running all this command from the expert mode. So whatever the advanced command which we have, we need to run it from the expert mode. If in case those commands need to be run from the standard mode, you need to run from the standard mode. That you need to check from your system itself. So let me show you where the actual logs stay. I mean, what is the location for the logs which are the system generated. So you have to go to the location which is where log, right? Before that, I wanted to show you where. So right now I'm at this location, home admin. From here I'm going to the location, say where the log, and if you do ls here, you will see files or the different files named messages. So those are your all system logs stores here, and these files generated as per different whenever you as per the time and day. So when one got filled, the next file get generated, and after that it get overlapped. Okay, so let me clear the screen and let me tell you one thing now. If you want to check system logs which are recently hitting to your messages file, you can use the command trail -f space -f, and then you need to give the location where log messages. Here you can give the different messages file whichever you want to see, but I'm giving the message file. So if you see, it will give you what are the latestly hit messages or hit system logs to your system, right? And if you say Control C, you will come out of this thing, and again if you hit, so it will increase whenever the logs hit to your system. So recently the timing is this. Let's wait a couple of minutes and see it get changed. Let me run one more time. Yeah, so I think last log which was generated at this time, so anything happened after this, you will see the latest log. So whenever if someone asks something is going on with the firewall, and you have to check right away what is happening with the firewall, you can run this command. So this command can be run from the management server as well as your gateway, right? Next, with the same command, if you want to see top 50 logs, it's simple command. You can see top 50 logs. You just give the trail -50 where log messages. So whichever the top 50 logs is on that message file, those we will see on the screen. And if you want to see those logs, if those are not fitting on a screen, you just have to use command option more. So if you enter, see whichever the how many logs will fit on this screen, it will show you that. And next you can press bar to see more logs. Okay, let me clear the screen. Now if you want to see the logs which are like the top 50 lines, so from that messages files, if you want to see top 50 lines from the top to bottom, you have to use the command head and then give 50 whatever. If you want to see top 10, you can give the 10 lines and then the file name and location. Okay, so we will see that. And similarly from the bottom to up, you have to see these logs. I mean, from last log to the upper side, I mean upwards, you can use same command using tell. So this will show you from the bottom to top what are the logs are there. And head, this command will give you, I mean the approach is from top to bottom and bottom to top. That's it. Head will use approach where up top to bottom you will see whatever the command you want to see, and from trail you will see the approach from bottom to up, whatever the command you want to see. Let me clear the screen. Next, if you want to grab some output, for example, let's see, I wanted to grab which is the the output which showing for the VS, for example this thing. So what I can do, I will grab that output. So with the same command you can do the grab option, or you can use the cat command or whatever the command you like. I just wanted to show you how you can grab the things from these messages or whatever the files. Just do grab and within the parentheses just give that entity or the string what you want to grab. Okay, and then you have to just press enter. So on that messages file or message file, wherever this vs0 will be there, those line you can see on your screen. I mean, if you want to filter that way, you can use the command. All right, now next thing, if you want to do the watch how quickly this messages file filling up your space, you can use a command watch space n 10, for example. I'm giving that the timer dls space l and the location where log messages. So in a real time it will show you how the messages are coming to your messages file, and how it's getting filled up. So this is the actual size in real time it gives, and whenever new message will come or whatever the thing will happen, this count will get increased. Okay, so please jot down this command watch minus n, this is the timing, minus dls l where log messages. Whichever file you want to watch, you can use this command. Okay, now there's one more important command or one more important file which we usually use for the troubleshooting. if you go to the location where log, and if you do the ls, there is a file which they call dmesg. So this is also important thing. If whatever this, if system got failed or whatever happened with the system, if you quickly want to see what is going on with that, you can use this command. So you can use watch or either trail or lace, it's up to you. If you are familiar with some Linux command, you will get this quickly, what I'm telling. So this is also an important thing. So whatever the happening with your gateway, it gives you all the details you know in a proper manner. Okay, let me clear the screen. And last thing which I wanted to tell you, for example, if you want to do some lookup within your messages file without taking those file to different files, you can do this thing. You have to use the command less, say var log, and say messages. So now here you are seeing all your data, all your logs. And if you want to filter something from this, you have to just press this /, and from here, if you want to see something, for example, if I want to see something for vs0, and then press enter, okay, it's written 0 because there is no vs0 present. But if you see here, there is vs0 in the caps. If I want to filter that, let's see what happens. So within that file itself, you can able to see all the lines which present with this vs0. So this is very useful when you are doing the troubleshooting in a live environment. Quicker way you can do all those things. If you don't like this approach, you have to press Q to quit from this. If you don't like this approach, if you want to have this all files to be captured to some text files, so same you can do. You can use the command say cat, say var log, and say messages. And if I say let's do this way, say trail, I just want to have a 10 messages from this command, I mean this messages files, or 10 logs from this messages file to be stored to any of my file. So I just have to use this symbol, or you can say this arrow, and give the file name. Say I'm giving file name log1.txt. You have to just enter. And if you do less to this file to see what are the contents available, let's see what you get. log1.txt. So here you are seeing the last 10 messages which are stored into log1.txt file. Okay guys, so this is a very short video. I am trying to explain how you can do the real-time troubleshooting whenever you stuck into any issue and people are complaining that something is happening with the firewall. You can look into the system logs itself using these commands. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press thumbs up button, so this video will be get liked. And please follow me, so whatever the latestly uploaded video will come to you as soon as I'll upload them. Thanks for watching this video, and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.